हेलो फ्रेंड्स। संडे का टाइम था तो आज सोचा बैठे बैठे एक छोटा सा एक फॉर्मूला ट्राई करूं। मे बी ये फ्यूचर में फॉर्मूला बहुत अच्छा सा बन जाए, कोई कुछ नहीं। एक मल्टी बैगर स्टॉक निकालने के लिए एक छोटा सा मैंने 25 फॉर्मूला एक ऐसे ही बना है जिसमें हर चीज मैंने 25 रखी है। वी हैव लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज विच आर गोइंग ऑन। पेट्रोस्की स्कोर है, जी स्कोर है, मैजिक फॉर्मूला है, बेंजामिन ग्राम्स नंबर है। वी हैव ऑल दीज थिंग्स। Over a period of time, I started realizing it that if fortune is to be made, then you have to pick some shares at a very low price and you have to then hold it on for many years to do it. बट पेनी स्टॉक्स के साथ ड्रॉबैक क्या होता है कि ये जितनी जल्दी पैसे बनाने के बारे में आप सोच सकते हैं, मेनी ऑफ देम जस्ट डिसअपियर इन फ्रॉम द मार्केट. So we have to pick up something which is a little fundamentally strong and which can give you good returns over a period of time. Nobody had thought that Titan and Bajaj Finance, which were just trading at 4 or 5 rupees, will turn into thousands and thousands of rupees. People who had bought them at very cheap price. सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल तो हमारे पास अभी लेट राकेश झुंझुनवाला जी है, जिन्होंने टाइटन 3 या 4 रुपए पे उठाया था. आज आज वो शेयर हजारों में है. तो ऐसे ही एक I just try to make an attempt to do it. Next Sunday, I will again put up a video on a stocks less than 10 rupees and which are likely to give good result. So hello friends, I'm Dr. Kamaljit Singh. So I'm not SEBI registered, so I'm just trying to share an idea with you. So if you feel, you should always consult your financial advisor before you do it. I've been running a free education platform for nearly 2 years and I do not offer any kind of a paid course. I don't intend to change anyone investment styles, so you are free to do it. These whole presentations are only for education purpose. As I already said, please consult your financial advisor before you take up any trade. Please do understand the concept. Screener.in is a free site where you can try each and every combination which you have done. This whole video is just an idea how you can choose a stock, but it's not a recommendation to buy a stock. So do your own research, understanding before you buy a stock. I used a random figure of 25 to choose a future multi-bagger. This formula is self-designed. Nowhere it's given. You can choose any figure. You can use 10, you can use 5, you can use 30, you can use 35. The higher the number you go, the lesser the number of stocks you are going to get. So I chose 25. And I use this screener.in, which is freely available on Google, and it's free for all. So what I meant by 25 is all numbers are going to be 25. Market capitalization more than 25 crores. Return on capital ROCE, what we call, is more than 25%. Return on equity is more than 25%. Profit growth is more than 25%. Profit growth on 3 years, in 3 years also is 25%. Year on year, quarterly profit growth is more than 25%. Profit growth in the next 10 years is also 25%. Year on year, quarterly sales growth is also more than 25%. Profit after taxation is also more than 25. Price to earning is less than 25. These are the only two figures which are less than it. And the current price of the stock is under 25. So when I punched all this in the screener.in, all these 11 conditions I just put in. These are not small conditions. I'm not putting 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm putting 11 conditions to it. And screener.in, I got this share. Standard Industries, that is 22.65 rupees traded share. And the dividend yield is around 11% in this. So I didn't put up a dividend one. Now, if you go and see the details, it has a market cap of 146 crores. Current price is around 22.6, which is half of its highest known price till date. ROC is around 254% and ROE is 376%. The face value of the share is 5 rupees. I'm not going to go into the rest of the details that you can go and check on the screener.in. There are some pros and the sub cons. The company has reduced its debt. It is trading at 1.03 times the book value. Stock is providing a good dividend yield of 11% and has delivered a good profit growth of 59% CAGR over last 5 years. This is not a small figure. The only cons is the promoter holding is over 20% in this case. There may be other, but these are what it is given in the screener.in. Now, if you see on the trading view, that is on a daily chart with the 200 moving average. Now, here I want to be very clear is it took support from here, and went up till this place. Many of this journey was only circuit this way, but many were downwards also the same way. Now, I'm anticipating that this stock should come somewhere on about here, 18.55. And that's the place where I think so is the time to enter this stock. And then hold it for a reasonable good time so that we are able to make good amount of money. You can check the fundamental details of the company on screener.in. You can read about it in Google. You can do your own personal research if you want to invest into it. I'm not giving any buying recommendation in the stock. Thank you, everyone.